Yo, what's good guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're good and well. It is dark and cold, but it doesn't stop us from training. We're going to the gym. Well, I'm going to the gym right now and smashing a core workout, something that I always love doing because I like having six pack. For me, it's always live with six pack and die with one as well. So yeah, I hope you do like this video, enjoy it, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Make sure you have the notifications turned on as well. But other than that, let's get into it. First exercise, decline bench leg raises. Now if you struggle doing normal leg raises on the bar, then do this. This is very effective to start off with and a good exercise that targets your lower abs. Control the movement nice and slowly and let the core do the work. Just like the leg raises, do the knee raises. Bend your knees, bring them all the way to your chest, hold it for like a second or two, then bring them down. Don't bring it all the way down because you don't want to be resting. The whole point is to make your muscle work, engage it properly, control the movement, and feel the burn in your lower abs. In order to get good visible abs, move on to this exercise after the leg raises and the knee raises. This is a very effective exercise to get the nice V shape that you're always looking for. As you bring your knees up, control them. Control the movement and turn to the side, then go back down and repeat again. And as I say, always let the core do the work. Once you're comfortable doing the normal leg raises and knee raises, now it's time to increase the intensity. Add weights. Use dumbbells or even kettlebell, but I would suggest you use dumbbell as you have a better control and grip over it. Start with 2.5 kg like I have done over here, then progress your way forward. Slow the movement, control it, and let those abs do the work. After doing seated leg raises, guys, I suggest moving on to this one, which is hanging leg raises, where you don't have any support of any bench or anything. It's just you using your core strength to lift your legs up and touching the bar. Control the movement, and as always, let the abs do the work. This is a very advanced exercise, so I would only suggest doing it if you've got a very good core strength. If you don't have it, build your core strength by doing the normal rollouts and plank. Then move on to this. As this being a very advanced exercise, if you feel like your core is about to give up, stop immediately, because you will end up injuring yourself because the treadmill is running and you can injure yourself very badly, either your face, your arms, your shoulders. Anything could happen, so avoid injury at all costs. This is one of my favorite ab crunches with a rope. I love this exercise. It's very effective, but if you do it properly, because if you don't do it properly, you're pretty much wasting time and effort. What you need to do here is, as you go up, breathe in, and as you go down when you do the crunch, breathe out but squeeze your core. Squeeze it and hold it for at least a second or two, then go back up slowly. Control the movement. The day I train core, I like to jump on the treadmill and burn the fat. Especially the lower abs is where it really consists, because those are the hardest ones to get out, and the only effective way to do it is to eat properly and do cardio. The way I do it is do 30 seconds of sprints, 20-second break, or 20 seconds of normal running, and then going back onto 30-second sprints. Do as many sets as you can to failure, to a point you think you can no longer do it. Try doing this consistently, but not every day, as you will feel sore and you will not feel wanting to go to the gym. Try to do it twice a week, and that's it.